What happens if you eat moringa on an empty stomach? Stick around because the answer might just surprise you. And if you want a powerful, pure supplement to try it yourself, check out Moringa Magic, link in the description below. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. But what happens when you take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach? Taking moringa before breakfast floods your system with essential nutrients like vitamin A, C, calcium, iron, and protein. Your body absorbs it quickly, giving you a natural energy lift, without caffeine crashes. It also helps flush out toxins and supports your gut health. Many people report less bloating, reduced gas, and even better bowel movements. Yep, your tummy will thank you. Thanks to its antioxidants and amino acids, moringa may improve mental clarity and reduce stress levels when taken early in the day. Imagine starting your morning sharper, calmer, and more focused. Some users have noticed better blood sugar regulation by consuming moringa on an empty stomach, helping to curb cravings and avoid mid-morning crashes. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, we recommend Moringa Magic Supplement. It's a clean, high-quality dietary supplement made for easy daily use. No bitter powder, no mess. Just one capsule and you're good to go. Get it today. The link is in the description below.